Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the flag captures. First of all, you have your box. Then, in order to make a flag, select your entity tool. Click here, type in DOD underscore control point. Then, just click on your map where you want your flag to be placed. And there's your flag. Okay, in order to make this a capture area, you need to double click on it and name it. Name this flag, just for instance, first flag. Okay, then you can put the localized name. This is what prints on the screen whenever it's captured. Then you can set the two sounds from when the axis and allies. Then the most important thing is this one right here, the index of this point. Unique. Each individual flag needs to have a different number. You can start at 0, but each one needs to go from like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. We'll keep this one at 0. Then you select apply and then cancel. Now we need to set the trigger area. In order to do this, go to your texture over here, click browse, type in trigger. Double click on trigger. Then select your box tool. Let's make our grid a little smaller. Zoom in on our flag. Then draw your box around it. And press enter. Then this box, we want to tie it to an entity. To do that, just select the box. Then click ties to entity. Then under the class, type in DOD underscore capture area. Then here in the name you want to put area 1, and then here yes the allies and yes the axis can cap it. Here we can set how many are available to cap, how many teammates it takes to cap, 1 there, 1 there, how long it takes to cap, and then here the name of the control point that we're adding was first flag. So we want to select apply and cancel. Okay, that's all on that one. Now, let's go over here and do another one. Select your entity tool once again. Then you have the DOD control point. Click on it. Then you want to select the flag. Whoops. Okay, do name. Let's do second flag. Then the name that prints on the screen. Do flag 2. Then here we need to put the index of this point. We need to change that to 1. Do apply, cancel. Then we want to put the trigger area around it once again. So select your box tool. And then enter. We want to tie that to an entity. Once again, type in DOD underscore capture area. Then the name, we want to call this area 2, and each additional flag is area 3, 4, and so on and so forth. Then here we'll change this one to 2. How long it takes. Then the name of this control point was second flag, so we want to select that one. Then do apply, cancel. Okay, now we need to have a master control point. That way it controls the captures on these two flags that we have. To do that, it is another entity. Select your entity tool. Then at the end of the control point, type in underscore, then master. And then just place it somewhere in the map. Then select it, and then to this all you have to do is name it. Just call it master, and then apply, and you got the flag sets complete. Now all you have to do is just run your map, test them, and they should work.